delicious here at Fred's Arena. Unfortunately, I've been having this issue. Please leave a comment below if you guys have a GoPro Hero 9 Black and you guys always get this message. It's super annoying. This is the second time this is happening. The memory card is new, the GoPro is new, and I've been having that problem. But that's why we're gonna go ahead and film with the iPhone. Let's see how well it does. This thing's garbage. I'm not gonna go for GoPro no more. I don't like it no more.
Is what?
Hey, you really gonna go take a poop? Yeah. You brought wipies? Dang, look at you. All prepared.
My arm's fucked up.
Oh, yeah. Well, let me, fucking.
I'll video it.
Yeah, you video.
Just shoot that way so you don't shoot towards him. Don't.
Sweeney, where you at?
She's right here. She's good.
Oh, all right.
Hey, don't drop it. Where's Brandon at? Hey, he went that way, right? Yeah. Hold on, let me get over here. You gotta put it around in it. There's nothing in the chamber.
But there is bullets in it, right?
Yeah, there's bullets in it.
I'm gonna shoot it. I'm gonna shoot it. This is sketchy! Woo! I feel like I'm falling! Oh shit! Woo! Rock crawling, baby. 4x4, baby. Oh shit.
Registration.
Woo! Alright, Gucci. Cheers, bitch. Cheers. get you up there. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Woo! Almost fell.
Oh shit! Are we gonna make it up that?
You made it. I made it. Guys, my legs hurt. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, we were like, where the fuck did we go? What happened, bro?
Okay, came around this corner
Yeah.
and took out this tree. Like this tree was right here.
Uh-huh.
Ripped it out of the fucking ground.
Oh, fuck. Uh-huh.
And I went through this tree and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna keep going. But then that little tree, we hit it. Yeah, you can see it's like the lockup right here.
Ryan's like, hey, I hope not. Oh, okay.
Fucking, I started sliding right here sideways, and then I hit this tree right here, which was fine. Boom, boom, and then that tree jumped out of nowhere.
Uh-huh.
I was gonna keep going that way. Hey,
What'd you think when you fell?
Oh, dude, it was awesome.
Shut the fuck up.
I swear to God, dude, I was like, whoa! Hit the tree, thick. I was like, oh, we're going over. Boom!
Oh,
It jumped out pretty hard.
Did you knock that?
Huh?
Did you knock that over?
Oh yeah, that tree's done. This tree started over.
Over here. More plastics.
Oh, shit.
My plastics are good. I want to get one for this one.
What is that?
What?
Right there, that black thing.
A wash? Oh shit, I did blow a bunch of plastic off.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
From where? Oh, the front one. And more on the other side.
Well, at least you guys are okay, man.
Sure.
No, when I saw the...
Hey, thanks again.
Thank you.
Oh, for
Hey.
he does all the custom windshields for these.
Hey, I'm glad you have these though.
If we would have had normal seatbelts, you would have.
Hey,
like,
did
smacked
you
the ground.
fucking like just go like that, or did you? Because in instinct, like you go like that, you know? Like,
Well,
fuck.
the first thing I did was look down, and her arm was on the floor, and I
Oh,
grabbed
shit.
her arm. I'm like, "Is your arm okay? Like, are you good?" She's like,
You
"Yeah."
didn't hit your head or anything, like you're fine. That shit's scary, dude.
Dude, we didn't roll. We just, I mean,
Well, yeah, you did.
we just.
We didn't roll, but the car was upside down, you know.
When we got to the end of the
Oh
road,
shit, that's my rear diff fluid.
Give me a call. Like I said, I may call the windshield.
Cool. Hell yeah.
oh, super nice.
I think you guys should invest in like a full roll cage. Oh my, I think you guys should invest in like in a full roll cage.
Oh, if I had the
Hey,
doors, it would
like one of them, like have you ever seen that car that like starts flipping over and it never like flips because it's like all round? That's what you need.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, right on, man. Is your number on here? I'll shoot you.
Oh man, that was crazy. Yeah, Ryan was hauling ass, right?
Yeah.
And I'm like thinking to myself, I'm in God's hands at this point because you can't see shit.
No, we couldn't see shit either.
And it's worse for you guys because you guys are getting all the dust.
Dude, I could not see.
That's what I'm telling Ryan. I'm like, don't go too fast because you're gonna lose them.
Yeah, and then I don't know where the fuck. I know this is Ajo, and I just keep going that way, but
Yeah.
I don't know if the full cut off that way.
Yeah.
So I
No,
was trying
yeah.
to catch up, but
Does it turn on? Does it work?
yeah, it was running when we got out. It's fun when you unclip and then you just go.
I would imagine. You know what's funny? When I put on the belt earlier, I was imagining how I would feel to like have to like just unstrap yourself out of a fall. Oh, it does. Nobody got hurt.
Yeah, everybody fall down once. Yeah, every lugger fall down once. Yeah, everybody fall down once. Yeah, every lugger fall down once. Hold it when it come. It ain't gonna stay when it drop it. When it fall down, pick that shit up. Hold it when it come. It ain't gonna stay when it drop it. When it fall down, pick that shit up.